So a lot of people have asked me, why should they use the NIST Cybersecurity Framework? Well, the framework provides a common language and systematic approach to cybersecurity risk management. The NIST Cybersecurity Framework was created to help organizations tailor the system to their need, and it complements, not replaces, whatever risk program they have in place. See, just the process of creating the profile provides an opportunity to identify areas where existing processes can be strengthened and where holes already exist, but maybe they just weren't being identified appropriately. The language that's created between the different levels within the organization is also very valuable. When it comes to liability, the framework helps create artifacts that helps that organization show due care. And in the legal world, due care is really important. There's tiers within the framework, and they provide a context on how organizations view cybersecurity management. The tier organizational guides are appropriate for passing down just what our organization's priorities really are. The framework helps guide key decision points about risk management activities through the various levels of the organization, from senior executive to the business level process to the operational level processes to the people out in the field. So after implementing, the executives and the technical people are no longer talking past each other. They're on the same page. That is a key to having a great risk management program within a company. So, the business and process level people, they use the information as input into the risk management process. And then they can formulate profiles to coordinate implementation operations activities. The implementation and operation level people then take that information and they can communicate program and profile implementation and use it to perform impact assessments. The business process level management reports outcomes of the impact assessment to the executive level to inform the organization of the overall risk. But again, you're now all speaking the same language. The framework was built to be flexible, and it works across a host of different categories of organizations. Let's look at an example of how a company might use it. So the Intel Corporation, they used it to do a pilot, see how they would communicate cybersecurity risk management from the senior level down to the process level, and to enhance their overall cybersecurity budgets, settings, and communications. So because the framework is voluntary and flexible, Intel chose to tailor the framework slightly to better align with their business needs. Intel modified the framework's tiers to set more specific criteria for the measurement of their pilot security program by adding people, process, technology, and environment to their structure. This is just one approach that companies and organizations and cities and states have used in using this free tool. Again, it's a free tool. The tool, the NIST Cybersecurity Framework, was developed by not just government, but government and industry people working together. So go check it out. And I guarantee you that it won't just help with your risk management once you've implemented it, but it's also going to help with your business and workflow and create better communications across your organization between your technical people, your field people, and the executives that are holding the purse strings. This is Mike Eccles. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll talk to you soon.